Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to put a 5D glass screen protector on the iPhone 10. Now I bought this from the China market again, and this is for below 200 rupees. So I'll not give you the exact price, but 250 around that price you will be able to get it. So I'll tell you why I bought this one. I'll show you the picture of the two options that are available. So out of them, I bought this one. Let me just show you this itself. Okay, so this is the one. So you get another one. Just see the pictures first. Okay, so you've seen the picture. Now you have this, and you have another one which is going from the top. Now I would suggest you to buy this one because this actually has cutout for the sensors. The other one blocks the sensor a little bit from the top, so the response is not that great. So there are a lot of complaints with that. This one is much better. So let's go ahead and put this one first and then see how it actually fits and how it looks on an iPhone, and then we'll put a cover on it to see if this is going to interfere with the cover or not. So let's go ahead, put the screen protector. Okay, now to put the screen protector, first of all, if you get this, good. If you don't get this, just wipe it with water and just put some water on it, wipe it clean. Use a clean cloth, specifically a cloth which doesn't give out too much of lint. If not, that will remain on the screen. So clean that first, and then we'll go ahead and put the screen protector. So let me just clean this. Okay, so it's clean now. Now let's go ahead and remove the screen protector. Now be very careful while you remove this. You don't want this to break. Okay, now align it straight. Okay, now we have to rub the bubbles out. Okay, so the screen guard is done. Now it's completely covering it. Let's see if face unlock is working. Okay, so the face unlock is also working. Everything is fine. Let's put a cover now. Time to test if it's going to work. Okay, perfect fit. The cover does not interfere with the screen guard, the tempered glass, so that's good. So even if you put a cover like this, the tempered glass is not going to come off from the sides. So excellent screen guard. Now all together with the cover was less than 100. This is around 200. So in 300 rupees you will be able to get full 5D screen guard, which has gum all over the screen, not only on the corners. I don't like the ones which have gum only on the corners because the dust do get in and then stay there. This is a good one, so I would recommend you to buy something like this, a 5D one which has a notch here, not the one which is straight. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.